Transforming a piece of mid-century modern furniture is like bringing history back to life, and we take this journey with passion and precision. With over 17 years of artisanal expertise, our Los Angeles studio is a haven where vintage treasures are reborn. Here's a glimpse into our restoration wizardry, the art of transformation. We start by stripping away the old, revealing the hidden beauty beneath. It's a bit like a glamorous makeover, where we give your furniture a fresh canvas. Attention to detail. We're sticklers for detail, whether it's a tiny dent or a noticeable scratch. Our artisans work their magic to make them vanish. Each piece undergoes meticulous hand sanding to ensure perfection. Wood's second chance. We believe in second chances, even for wood. Our chemical treatments refine the wood, reviving its natural allure. We don't just restore, we bring out the wood's soul. Design integrity. Every piece has a story, and we respect that. We carefully examine each one for design integrity, making sure it stays true to its mid-century roots. Bringing out the grain. Choosing the perfect stain is an art form. We handpick stains that accentuate the wood's unique grain, adding character and charm. Lasting protection. To seal the deal, we apply a protective matte satin lacquer, ensuring your furniture stands the test of time. It's not just restored, it's fortified for the future. Comfort redefined. The beauty of mid-century modern is timeless, but comfort should be too. We use high-density foam in the finest fabrics and leathers to give you a seat that's as cozy as it is chic. Dedicated to excellence, our promise is simple: enduring, distinctive, and comfortable furniture that becomes a cherished part of your home's story. Your furniture's longevity is our unwavering commitment to you. When you choose one of our restored pieces, you're not just acquiring furniture, you're owning a piece of history, meticulously brought back to life by our passionate artisan. Embrace the past, enjoy the present, and let our furniture be a part of your future.